Welcome everyone! In today's video, I'll be walking you through the basics of Google Drive, Google's free, cloud-based storage service that helps you store, access, and manage your files from anywhere. Let's begin by adding files. It's incredibly easy to upload or create files inside Google Drive. On the left side, you'll see a button labeled New. Clicking this allows you to create new folders or new files. Select Add New File, browse for the file on the computer. Once selected starts uploading, the status can be seen at bottom right corner. Once completed, go to My Drive and see that the file is uploaded. Next, let's take a look inside a Google Drive account that already has files stored in it. You'll notice different folders and files organized neatly in one place. When you click on any file, additional options appear at the top, things like previewing, sharing, or downloading the file. On the left side, you can navigate through all your folders, recently opened files, shared files, and more. There is also an option to get Google Drive for desktop. You can find it by clicking the gear icon at the top and selecting Get Drive for Desktop. Clicking it will redirect you to the official download page of Google Drive application. If you install it, Google Drive will appear as a folder on your computer. Anything you move into that folder will automatically sync and upload to your online drive. Creating a new file is very simple. Go to your Google Drive, then click the New button on the top left corner. Select the type of file you want to create. In this guide, I'll create a Google document. When you click Google Docs, a new document will open in a separate tab. At the top left corner of this new document, you'll see the title Untitled Document. Click on it, type the name you want, and press Enter. Type some text inside the file and then close it. Now head back to your Google Drive. You'll immediately see the new file appear there, already saved. You can double-click on it anytime to open it again. One of the best things about Google Drive is that your files save automatically. There is no Save button, and you never need to worry about losing your progress. Everything updates instantly in real time. Now let's move on to creating documents using templates. To explore templates, go to drive.google.com/templates. In this example, I'll be looking for a resume template. When you find a template you like, simply double-click it. A new document will open, and a copy of that template will automatically be created in your Google Drive. You can now edit and customize it with your own information. And that's it. Those are the basics you need to start using Google Drive confidently, from creating files, uploading files, organizing folders, syncing with desktop, using the mobile app, and working with templates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.